Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution.
Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the lint duct assembly in your LG dryer, you will need a Phillips screwdriver or drill driver with a Phillips bit. Before you attempt this, be sure to turn off the power to the appliance. Remove the 3 screws securing the filter assembly and pull it out. Pull the dryer away from the wall. Unthread the 5 screws to remove the bracket. Slide the lid and lift it off to remove from the dryer. Unthread the 2 screws holding the control panel. Pry the 3 tabs, then pull back and lift up to free the control panel. Unplug the wire harness from the display PCB assembly. Unplug the door switch. Unthread the 2 screws on the lower half of the panel. Unthread the 3 screws on the top half of the dryer panel. Be sure to support the panel while unthreading the 3 screws that secure the top of the dryer panel. Now lift and remove the front panel. Unthread the 2 screws on the duct assembly to remove. To install the new lint duct assembly, set the assembly in the appliance and rethread the 2 screws to secure. Insert the panel in the 2 slots at the bottom of the appliance. Now rethread the 3 screws on the top half of the panel. Rethread the 2 screws on the bottom half of the panel. Plug in the door switch. Plug the wire harness back into the PCB assembly. Insert the control panel into its grooves and push forward to snap in place. Then rethread the 2 screws that hold it in place. Place the lid on the dryer and push forward to secure. Rethread the 5 screws to reinstall the bracket. Push the dryer back into place. Next, align and slide the filter assembly into place within the dryer. Rethread the 3 screws to secure. Turn the power supply back on, and your dryer should be ready for use.